The secret of good plant support is to put it in place before it is needed. If you leave putting in plant supports until plants collapse, it'll never look good. Put it in place now, and it will very quickly be hidden by new growth and will do its job without anyone noticing. It's not too late to plant shallots or onion sets out direct. But if, like me, the ground was too cold a few weeks ago, so you put them into plugs, they will now have strong shoots and roots. So they can be put into the ground, spaced either in a grid or in rows about 9 inches apart. And very quickly, they will establish as strong plants that will produce lots of new shallots. Cosmos are tender annuals, so it's a little cold to plant them out yet. To keep them growing strongly, prick out the seedlings that you sowed earlier into individual modules or small pots. Water them and put them somewhere warm where they can be grown on, so that you have nice, strong plants to plant out after the risk of frost has passed.